Yan lang daw ang bunga na hindi nakakahat.
Huwag mo itama sa mga bakat nila. Still. Daddy long legs.
Lahat, kunin na lang natin. Ma'am,
celebration. And I know, I'm pretty sure all of you are all excited to see what's next. But please make sure that pag-ingat ating mga kagrupo. And please don't forget to stay hydrated.
Yung pantalo ng upuan mo.
Ay, no.
Sige, yung pantalo ng upuan mo, wag yung puti. Kaya? Ayaw dumi?
coach nyo, talagang nagbibenta ng product. Siya, po yan, may days into nights, nights into days. Nakita rin namin yung pagbago ng spiritual life nila and financial life. We are very proud na marami.
Kano balance ito? 480 Bayaran ko na.
Culture natin na SPF culture, unti-unti na lalong na-embrace na which naniniwala kami na
Mamaya wala na akong
this is the only way and the best way
Okay na tayo,
para magkaroon kayo ng good spiritual relationship,
4 tayo, di ba?
physical relationship sa inyo, and financial
Mapapansin mo naman yun, hindi na sila nakapost.
God bless everyone. I hope makita kayo soon sa Dimostar.
Meron pa ba tayo?
Ay, sa Zoom.
1.5 hour.
Okay,
Meron pa 1.5 hour.
God bless lahat. Ay, Alisa. Always seeing na yung buong team nyo is overcoming the storm. It's a solid team and a solid group. To be honest with you, yung success ng buong team nyo, I know for a fact na nation will say, keep believing doon sa journey ng SCF life natin. Whenever we see these challenges,